Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're doing rear speaker replacements on this 2016 Mazda 6. We're going to show you how to remove the factory door panel here, remove the factory speaker, wire up our new speaker, and get everything reinstalled in the factory location. Now the first thing we're going to do is pull out this little rubber floor there. Then using an angled tool, you can pull out the cover for the screw that goes back in there. And then next, using a panel tool, we're going to go ahead and pop out our switches. Go ahead and disconnect your harness here. Let's get those two screws out. Now at this point, using a panel tool, you're going to just work your way around the door. Now if your door hasn't been off before, it's going to be really tight. And at this point, just kind of work it right off the top there and clip your handle. Now it's common for these cars for the clips to stay in the door. You can pop them out. Okay, using a 10mm, go ahead and remove the factory speaker. And then you can disconnect your main harness here as well. Like so. So let's head over to the bench and get the new speaker wired up. Provo Beast Audio Installation channel is sponsored by NVX and Sonic Electronics. Get 10% off all speakers, amplifiers, wiring kits, and more with coupon code PBAI at NVX. Also get 5% off all car audio components at Sonic Electronics with coupon code ProvoBeast. Alright, so the parts that you're going to need for our install, of course, are your speakers. Now we want this NVX 6.5-inch speaker. This is the NSP 6.5 speaker. These guys actually sponsor our channel. If you want to pair these, I'll throw a link in the description and use our coupon code to save you a couple bucks there at checkout. We're going to need some speaker ring adapters. These are the American International. Model number here is the NSB 710. They come in pairs. And then for the wiring harness adapter, we're using the speaker wire 72-5602 by Metra. Also come in a pair. So what we're going to do is match our speaker up into the kit in the same orientation as our factory speaker here. As you can see, they're identical, so they'll bolt up to the same location. So what we're going to do, using the hardware provided, is get them all mounted. Now of course, these also can adapt to 5.25 inch, but we're not using those, so these little tabs on the inside will get in the way. So you gotta just break them off. Now flipping the speaker over, here are our terminals. We're going to use one of our adapters. Now we went ahead and actually just drilled a little hole here so we can run our wires through so they don't get pinched between the door panel and the speaker ring adapter. Alright, so we got everything wired up here. This will just bolt right back in. Now the reason I actually mounted it upside down is because the harness adapters are a little bit shorter, and I want to make sure I have enough length to have this plug in the door panel itself. There we are, all bolted up. Go ahead and do a quick test to make sure it works, and then we'll put the door panel back on. there we are. That's about it. If you have any questions on this install, just go and post a comment below. Thanks guys for watching the channel. If you want to see the front set of speakers replaced, go ahead and check the description. We'll have a link for you. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.